Hello, and welcome to this Academy series on Real User Monitoring and Coralogix. Real User Monitoring helps you track how your users interact with your web applications in real time. It provides valuable insights into page load times, user interactions, network requests, and errors. But what happens to all this data once it's no longer needed for immediate analysis? Keeping everything in active storage is expensive, which is why Coralogix allows you to archive RUM events cost-effectively in AWS. However, archiving doesn't mean losing access to your data. This is where Archive Query comes in. It lets you retrieve and analyze archived RUM events whenever needed. RUM data can quickly grow to an enormous size because every user session generates multiple logs. Storing all of it in hot storage indefinitely isn't practical. Instead, by archiving the data, you can reduce storage costs while ensuring you retrieve logs when needed. And why would you ever need to look at old RUM data? Well, for one, long-term performance analysis is crucial. Sometimes you need to compare how a site performed 6 months ago against how it performs today. Archive Query allows you to retrieve older logs and analyze them alongside current data. Another reason is regulatory compliance. Many industries require businesses to keep logs for auditing purposes. Instead of keeping everything in active storage, you can store it in archive and pull it back only when necessary. You might also need historical debugging. Imagine your customer reports an issue that happened 2 months ago, but your current logs don't go back that far. Instead of telling them, sorry, we don't have the data, you can use the Archive Query to retrieve logs and troubleshoot that problem. Archive Query is a powerful tool that allows you to search and retrieve only the RUM logs that you need instead of restoring everything. This means you don't waste time retrieving unnecessary data. By using filters such as time range, user session IDs, page paths, response times, or error types, you can quickly find the specific events relevant to your analysis. And once you retrieve the archived RUM data, you can analyze it just like your live data. Coralogix visualization tools, dashboards, and search queries allow you to compare historical data with current trends. And this is useful when investigating recurrent bottlenecks, network slowdowns, or long-term user behavior changes. Understanding how to balance costs efficiently with effective data analysis is an important skill. Active Query ensures that while your team optimizes storage costs, they don't lose access to critical insights. Whether you're debugging historical issues, meeting compliance requirements, or analyzing long-term performance trends, knowing how to use Archive Query will give you an edge in managing large-scale data efficiently. And you'll be contributing to a more effective and data-driven development workflow, making sure that archived RUM data remains an asset rather than a liability. See you in the next video.